Who does the Home Possible and the Home Possible Advantage purchase and refinance program here in the great state of Arizona? Hello, my name is Nathan Rufty with Mountain West Financial Home Loans here in the Phoenix area in the state of Arizona that offers the Home Possible. It's through the Freddie Mac program, Home Possible Advantage and Home Possible program. The Home Possible is the 5% down, where the Home Advantage is 3% down. This goes for a purchase and a refinance home loan through Freddie Mac. So let's dive in the benefits of this program. It's a conventional type program offered through Freddie Mac. There's no prepaid penalty, so you can pay it off at any time. It's available throughout the United States. Every home that's listed, every homeowner that's looking to refinance, you do have to qualify under the current guidelines for conventionals, of course, when it comes to credit score, the debt to income ratio, and the draw credit, whether you had a foreclosure, a bankruptcy, a short sale, or a deed in lieu of. You do have to still follow those current guidelines, and those guidelines change. That's why I'd love for you to call me so we can talk about this program. But I want to explore the available programs, because there is one caveat, is there's an income limit in specific areas. But here in the greater Phoenix area, as well as the state of Arizona, it is wide open to non-income limits. That means that you can purchase a home utilizing this program with 3% down. So let's dive into where you can find these homes that are available with the income limit and no income limit. All right, so I picked a home here that's for sale in the state of Arizona, Glendale, in the city of Glendale right now. So the website here is I'm going to post that URL on the link below. So all you got to do is click on it. It's going to take you to this home page, and then you type in the address right here. As you type in, it's going to populate it for you. So if it recognizes that address through the Google search, it's going to populate that address. And you press the hourglass here and you press search, and it's going to find that this address here is no income limit right there, which means if you're making a certain amount of income over $100,000, you can utilize this purchase program. You do not have to be a first-time home buyer, so you can be a second-time home buyer, a third-time home buyer, or a first-time home buyer. You can qualify for this program as long as you meet, obviously, the credit requirements and everything. But this particular area, let me scroll out here, this particular area does not have income limits. There are areas that will. As I scroll out even more, you can see the areas here, and all you got to do is follow the map, no income limit. Okay, so this has a huge area, but if you find this area right here, okay, so this box here has a income limit of $66,200. This area right next door to it's going to have the same income limit of $66,200. So same area, same next door blocks right here has an income limit of $66,200. So if you're making $66,200 or more, and you're purchasing in this particular area, the greater Phoenix, which is in Glendale, you're not going to be able to purchase this property utilizing the Home Possible program through Freddie Mac. You're going to be able to do that on traditional FHA or conventional programs. But this Home Possible, and the benefits of utilizing the Home Possible program, it has reduced interest rates. So if you can compare it, which we will, I will compare the two, and you'll see why the Home Possible is better at a 3% down versus a FHA at 3.5% and a traditional 3% down conventional. But looking to purchase in this particular area, and you're making $100,000 a year, $88,000 a year, you cannot utilize the Home Possible Advantage program and do the 3% down because you exceed that income limit. As you can see with the yellow area here, those are all available areas with no income limits for the Home Possible Advantage program. So a lot of area to cover here. This area here, this look at the kind of a this area here, it's going to have that $66,200 limit, as well as down in this particular area as well, in the Phoenix area. So that's why you're going to want to look at the program when you're looking at homes in these areas, and you're limited on the down payment at a 3% for this Home Possible. This is a huge area in Phoenix and the outskirts as well. Surprise has some good areas over here, Litchfield over here, Buckeye, Goodyear over here. So there's some huge areas that, look at that, Buckeye, look at huge area. So if you're making $100,000, you want to purchase out in the Buckeye area, you can utilize the 3.5. You can use the 3% down HomePossible Advantage program as long as you meet the requirements. And let me show you the advantages of utilizing this program that I want to explore with you. All right, here is that comparison with the HomePossible program through Freddie Mac, and then you got the regular conforming program, and then you got the FHA. So I ran these three comparables with the minimum down payment of 3%, 3% for the traditional conventional, and 3.5% minimum for the FHA. So on a $300,000 purchase here, same $300,000, 3% down, 3%, 3.5%. The loan amount, this loan amount is higher than these, even though you put 3.5% down, because FHA is going to charge you, the buyer, currently a 1.75 upfront FHA fee that's tacked on top of the loan. That's why this is going to be a higher amount right down here. So 291 is the base loan amount, base loan amount. This is the base loan amount right here, the 289 with the 3.5% down. But then FHA is going to charge you that 1.75, which is going to be a total loan amount of 294. So you're now financing 294, not 289. Okay. Interest rate as of today, rates change every single day. So these rates won't be the same by the time I finish with this video. But here's a principal and interest payment right across here on all of them. Here's a principal and interest payment, principal and interest payment, principal and interest payment. The taxes are going to be the same because the tax rate is based on the purchase amount. The homeowner's insurance will be around the same because that's based on the loan amount. Then you got the mortgage insurance. So you can see this mortgage insurance with the HomePossible is $106 a month. The regular is $133, and then FHA is $203. So you can see that's HomePossible at a $1940 total estimated. 2020 and 2020, based on those two other programs, HomePossible pencils out a lot better than the other two programs because the interest rate is lower, and as well as the mortgage insurance. So if you're exploring the option of purchasing a home, call me so we can explore this option of the Freddie Mac HomePossible purchase program with you, because it pencils out better. The credit score requirement as of today is a low credit score of 620 and higher. That's their minimum, is at 620. FHA can go down, as with our company, as low as 580. So if you have a 600 credit score and you want to purchase this program, the HomePossible is out because it goes down to a 620 currently. Those may change in the future, but for right now it's been 620 for quite some time. But if you're looking to explore your options, which you should, it does not hurt to explore your options on purchasing a home. If you're limited on the down payment and you're wanting to do purchase a home, do the HomePossible. The link for this site is going to be below, that you can go and explore that option with you on, hey, I know an area that I can purchase a home in with as little as 3% down, and I exceed that $66,000 income. I go over that and make about $75,000 or $80,000, and guess what? That 3% can be gifted. It can be a down payment assistance program. It can come from your 401k. It can come from your family, your own checking, savings. You can sell something of value, get the paper trail, of course, on that. The HomePossible is a great program because it has reduced interest rate and reduced monthly mortgage insurance compared to a traditional conventional program. So let's explore this option on the HomePossible Freddie Mac program. My name is Nathan Rufty with Mountain West Financial Home Loans here in the great state of Arizona. My direct line, 623 area code 850-1210, and all my contact information is going to be below. Also a video up here you can click on and watch what the typical costs will be to purchase a home. Those are going to be your closing costs as well as the down payment. And I look forward to connecting with you and talking about this great program, the HomePossible Advantage program with that 3% down through Freddie Mac. Thank you very much, and I look forward to connecting with you.